Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Gajelau Conrad Sangma Hanegasni Habaykren Halor Jingshah Kynnoh le Be-Ijot ya Wei Naki Amalie Jong Kaseng NPP Ubadairu Unong Aibut Jong Menteri Rangba Hakawei Gabru Kabala Ujoru Daki Jahar Persha Yauni Amalie Thomas Sangma Nakaliang Jong Menteri Rangba Loong Bakani Kadai Kakam Shimet Bat Hakakam Shimet Kasorkar Kamdon Ayai Badong Halor Kani Hanrai tangkawai ke sorkar kan simkia baka an kan le ya ka Donkam. Habai dai par bat ke jingdawa jong kaliang persya ban wengno ya uni UMLA na ki komiti ba per na kaliang menteri rangba ulong hadin ba ki Jingshah ki lapau na kaliang jong ke sorkar kan sala ban pensitom ya uni UMLA.
This is of course a very personal matter. I don't feel it appropriate that we as a government should respond to it. It's something that has happened at an individual level, and from our side and as a government, the only thing we can ensure and assure is that law will take its own course. We will ensure that there is proper investigation that takes place. We will ensure that the truth comes out with proper investigation, and that there is no influence or no pressure from anywhere to in any way affect the investigation process. That's the only thing that the government can say from its side. But apart from that, as I said, it's if it happened to somebody else, then it would not have come out in this manner in the press. The person happens to be a political leader, but nonetheless still an individual and a citizen, and therefore with that in mind, it is at an individual level. So whatever it is, the government has no comments on individual matters related to individual people. But from our side, what is important is to ensure that the law should be applicable in the same manner to everybody. Unfair for us to just simply jump to any conclusion. It will be appropriate for us to ensure that we are fair to everybody in this. That includes both the people concerned. And therefore, only a proper investigation and the facts, once they come out, will give light to the entire situation. And then, based on what investigations come out, we can take necessary action, and we will take action if that is the case. But it would be not fair at this point in time to really jump to a conclusion without the investigation being done. So let the investigation be done, and then accordingly we will take necessary steps and action.